Logan Paul is an American social media influencer, professional wrestler, YouTuber, entrepreneur, and actor. He is the co-founder of beverage company Prime. Paul has also run the Impulsive podcast since November 2018, which has over 4 million YouTube subscribers. As a wrestler, he has been signed to WWE since June 2022, where he performs on the SmackDown brand. Paul gained a following in 2013, posting sketches on the now-defunct video sharing application Vine. In 2022, Paul began dating Danish model Nina Agdal. In July 2023, he proposed to Agdal at Lake Como in Italy, and they subsequently announced their engagement on Instagram. In April 2024, Paul announced that he and Agdal were expecting their first child, a girl, in the fall of 2024. He registered his first YouTube channel, The Official Logan Paul, on October 18, 2013, where he started posting regularly following the closure of the Vine app. He later created the Logan Paul Vlogs channel on August 29, 2015, which has since become his most subscribed YouTube channel. As of August 2023, the channel has received 23.6 million subscribers and almost 6 billion views. He has also explored other avenues. He released his debut single 2016 in 2016 and fought English media personality KSI in a white-collar boxing match in 2018. The fight ended in a majority draw. In the 2019 rematch, which was a professional bout, KSI won by split decision. In 2021, Paul competed on the 5th season of The Masked Singer as Grandpa Monster. He was unmasked after his second appearance, where one of his clues was a foreshadowing of his boxing match against Floyd Mayweather Jr. On November 20, 2018, the first episode of Paul's Impulsive podcast was aired. In early 2000